Welcome to GooeyTrade and the cTrader platform video series. In this video, we will give you an overview of the platform and just some of its features. When you first open cTrader, you will see 5 defined areas. The top menu shows you your overall account details, where you may open a new order on the active chart, change and save workspaces, hide and show the trade watch, and the active symbol panel. Set your chart mode, multi-charts, single chart, or free chart. Add a new chart and view your watch lists. Zoom in and zoom out. Select your price action method. Add indicators from a very comprehensive list. Manage your drawings and indicators. Save and load templates. Also, you will find that cTrader has a very comprehensive list of timeframes and options. As a real benefit for traders, you may change timeframes higher or lower just by using your keyboard cursors. The chart area is the largest, of course, and you may expand the area by hiding the other panels. Line studies, graphics, price alerts, and more can be added by the instrument toolbar, which you may move. Multiple charts can be linked by a color code, and we will explore this and all the other features of cTrader charting in other videos. The Trade tab gives you access to all available symbols and watch lists, where you may create a new order, open a new chart, and other options. We will have a much more detailed video on the Trade tab and watch lists. Automate, where you may build your own custom indicators and engage in algorithmic trading with cbots. You will need to download the desktop version of cTrader to use cbots. Analyze, where you will find a very comprehensive post-trade analysis suite to track your progress and help you identify your strengths and weaknesses. And settings for full control over your platform defaults like languages. The active symbol panel, or ASP, is linked to active charts and displays everything you need for each symbol, including a very comprehensive order ticket where you may create market orders and a variety of pending orders. You may also use depth of market for most symbols and view information on each symbol, including your statistics. At the bottom, we have Trade Watch, where you may view and modify your current positions, pending orders, view account history, view and modify price alerts, and view account transactions. Again, we will have a complete video on the functionality and use of the Trade Watch, such as advanced protection, modifying positions, reverse position, double position, and close position. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade cTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on cTrader.